What's going on YouTube? I'm back at it again with another video, and today's video is I sold that Peugeot, the blue one. I sold it like almost maybe a week, 2 weeks ago. I sold that car like time ago. So I wasn't gonna upload this process of the car because I seen that the buying and selling car series ain't really doing too well on the channel, but content's content at the end of the day. I've got another car in. I've had it for 3 days now, 3-4 days. I need to put it up on the market yesterday because I had to do a lot of work to the car. And yeah man, like when I bought it, basically the reason I bought it because I got it for so cheap. It's a Peugeot 207, 73,000 miles. It was dirty, bird poo all over it, and it said all pressure, engine oil pressure low, stop engine oil pressure low, and then it said rear brake light faulty, and the rear brake lights weren't working and all these other faults. But guess what, I fixed it, innit? So what I done was, basically what I done was, the first thing I thought it was probably the oil pressure sensor, and I looked at it and it looked like, so what I done was I just done an oil change, oil filter change, and I changed the oil pressure sensor, and that basically fixed that problem. So it's probably the oil pressure sensor, and yeah, that was fixed. And then I ordered the brake light switch for Peugeot 207. It's underneath the glove box. I ordered one, but it's taking so long to come, and I have people coming to see the car, and like loads of people messing about the car. So what I done was I just went up. There's one in Euro Car Parts for Citroen, and Citroen and Peugeot basically have the same parts. So I bought that one. Fingers crossed it will fit, and it fitted and it worked. And now the rear lights work. Like they was not working, and now that works. And it's got a crack in the windscreen, but the only downfall is it looks like the previous owners like spray painted one side of it a little bit, and it doesn't like it hasn't been crashed or anything, but it's like they might have scratched the car against something and they sprayed that whole panel, and it's just like, oh my god, you just ruined it, man. But because it was so cheap I bought it, but I just want it gone now anyways. Also the rear bumper was just messed up paint wise. It was like paint peeling and stuff. So what I done was I resprayed the bumper. But you know when you got to a stage where I've done so much work, but I've wet sanded it and all this stuff, and it's got to a stage where I spent, well it's not that much, but I spent quite a bit of money on it. I say I spent £140 on it. Just, and I can't sell it like for the price I want it to because of this. Look at this. When I go outside and show you, you'll see. You'll see what I mean. When I go outside and show you, you'll see what I mean. But apart from that, the rest of the car's in good. It's got full service history, 72,000 miles. Pretty clean car. It was proper dirty, man, when I got it. But because of the price, it enticed me. And I thought, yeah, I could fix it, which I did fix it, which is good because they didn't know nothing. They didn't know how to fix it. So I've obviously, before I bought it, I done my research. Because the car was so dirty, I couldn't see that it was spray paint underneath. So yeah, I'm probably going to take an L for this one, really. I'm just trying to get it going. It drives fine. Everything's fine. Let me just show you the car. So I was looking. Look at this. You see shiny? Not shiny. But I've cleaned it out nicely. Horrible noise. That's all clean. See this bumper, I had to respray it, bro. I know I've got spray paint on here, but you know them ones I see there to remove it, it's just a quick thing. I just want it gone. But yeah, got there. This side's the bad side, if you can see. Pretty that, bro. Yeah. Look at that. Interior, it was dirty. It's all clean now, I've cleaned it, and the sensor is all the way behind here. Like, you can't see it from here, but it's all the way up in there. Let me open the bonnet. Right, this is the interior. Not bad. Back seats. Clean the engine bay. Like, shined it up. This is proper dusty. See like how this looks? That's how the whole engine bay looked. But I had to put some coolant in it. Because this thing had literally no coolant in it. No coolant. But it's up there now. The oil pressure sensor is literally right down there. If you can see it by the oil pump or no oil filter. So I changed the oil filter and engine oil. And yeah, it runs pretty fine now. I nipped the front a little bit, and there's that's missing, and there's a crack on the windscreen, but I'm not going to replace that because I'm not going to make enough profit, because I'm just going to sell it as it is. But I have fixed the main problems. There you go, it starts. It says side lamp faulty on there, but that's because that's broken right there. And if you look, all the side lamps actually work. I'm gonna show you that. Got on the hazard lights. Look, it's working. That's working. That's working. That's working. It's all working. The brake lights now work, let me check. Oh yeah, don't sound bad. Don't sound as good as the other one though. And this thing was like pushed all the way back in, so I had to unclip all of this and then make it like basically put it back in, because this was, you couldn't see this, it was all the way down there. The interior was dirty. I cleaned the interior nicely, put 2 air fresheners in there. And yeah man, it all works fine. As you can see, moving it forward. Yeah. And update wise to the VXR, the car's been there for basically coming Friday. I think the car's gonna be there for like 3 weeks now, and they still haven't done any work to the car. So they say, oh, they're waiting for the rods to arrive. How does it take so long? You should make sure you have the parts there for when the car's gonna be done. They had a whole month to get everything prepared. I want my car back now, man. You know what I mean? I want my car back now, bro. It's like I don't even have that car anymore. Like the VXR, I'm missing it kind of. But, and then when they get the part, it's gonna take another 2 to 3 weeks to do it. Oh man. Boy, right? Like, okay, I get it's COVID times, but that's long, man. But anyway, I don't mean to come on here negative. But yeah, I have so many people interested in this car. Like yesterday, I posted up, my phone just going off and off. But I'll show you. Let me just go on the phone real quick. Go on Messenger. Got someone coming to view it tomorrow. Look, I posted the car up yesterday, and I've already got all of these messages from people, which is quite good. I put it up for because I spent 140 on it, because the car literally it needed work done to it, so I done the main work and it's fixed. So I've put up the car for 590. That's reasonable for what it is, isn't it? 73,000 miles. That's proper reasonable, bro. I just want it gone, innit? But yeah, these cars normally sell for this mileage if the paint was good. This I could sell this for probably a grand or 900, 800 pounds. I make good profit with that paint work. But I just want it gone. It's gonna be too much work, man. I ain't gonna pay extra money to respray it when I'm not gonna get it back. Like the windscreen, if I spend 140 on the windscreen now to get the windscreen done, I can't add 140 onto the price on what I'm doing and try and sell it for like £600-700 because I'm not going to get that for it because of the paint work in it. So I'm selling it at a reasonable price. I'm open to offers. Whoever buys it might want it for a run around. They can just fix that easily. And yeah, man, I'll be coming with more entertaining videos anyway, except from these little boring ass videos, but I'm coming with more entertaining videos, bigger energy. And yeah, subscribe, help me get to 1,000 subscribers, you know what I mean? And yeah, bless up, boom. But anyways guys, if you guys like this sort of content, comment down below and let me know, and I'll start doing more of it, because I could have done the whole thing. I could have filmed the whole thing when I done the oil change and oil filter change, and when I changed the oil pressure sensor, and when I changed the brake light switch, whatever thing. And oh yeah, I forgot, I've changed all the rear lights as well, all the brake lights at the back. Damn, I've done a lot of things to this thing. Normally I get the car in and in the same day just clean it up and get it gone really, but this one took a bit more work. But if it weren't for that paint work, it ruined it, man, it ruined it. But yeah, on to the next. I got a lot of people interested, hopefully one of them buys it. On to the next. I'm never gonna buy a dirty car again. But the guy that for 600, I came there and I named the faults, which was the bumper, the rear bumper, and all these little engine faults and brake faults, which I fixed that already. Sorry for picking my nose, isn't it? Engine faults and brake faults, I fixed that, and cleaning it is just a paint, man. And it's a nice little car. It's a nice little car. But hopefully I just get it flogged in it. Anyway, you guys, bless.